Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to tackle a random game and not edit it. I'm going to try to do my best to explain what I'm thinking and how I'm looking at different situations. Let's go ahead and get started here. First things first, I like to go for columns. There's not really a lot of stuff here. There's just three, and there's a king, and there's nothing there, so we're going to leave it like it is. We're going to go to the draw pile next. This ace is going to act as our insurance card. We're not going to play it yet. We're going to hold on to it and see what else we have. We can move this queen, though, and that'll drop this ace of spades next time around, so that's kind of good. Ace of diamonds is a good card to play. We can move this jack, too. So, getting some progress here. And we move this 5. And again, our goal is going to be to open up as many of these columns as possible. Now, there is one little caveat here. If you notice, there are 2 jacks. I feel like this jack right here, the jack of hearts, is way more valuable. So what we're going to do is take this jack and put it back where it came from, right? So let's go back there. Okay. Now that we know what that is, we're going to play this 5. We'll play the 4. And maybe we can find something good under this jack. That's good. We can put it here. And we can move this 2 under the 3 as well. Now we're going to move this 3 over, and I'm trying to remember what was under the king. Was it it was a 10. A black 10. Good news is we have a 9 we can play under the black 10. Now we get an 8. We can play that. And better yet, we get a 7. We can play this over here. That's going to allow us to move the 6 over. And more importantly, we can move this 7 as well. So we got a lot of moves out of that. If we had not taken that jack and used the other jack, we might be pretty stuck. Let's move this 10 over here. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And look, that opens up another move right here. So, wow, that opens up another move. We'll move the 6 there and the 5, and we can move this 8 as well. Yeah, if we didn't switch that jack around, we're going to cost ourselves a lot of moves here. Move the ace. We can move this 5 of spades. We'll move this jack as well. And, oh, we can move the 6. And, wow, great. We got a king. Okay, that's good. We can open up this column with the queen. So, yeah, that move right there has just really helped us tremendously in being able to get some cards around here. Yeah. I mean, and we can move this 2 if we have to, but that move has helped us tremendously. Now we just got to figure out these 2 columns, and we should have this solved. Again, we have an ace as insurance. We can move this king down. It's not super relative, though. We already have 2 red queens, so having a queen underneath that king doesn't help us a lot. Our focus is going to be getting these 2 columns open. So ace of spades up, okay. I think we can bring this 4 down. Play the 3 of spades, 2 of hearts up. We need to figure out where the 2 of diamonds is. If it's in here, we might be in for a little bit of a problem, but we'll see. We could play this 10-9. That might be a good combo to play. Here's the 3 of hearts. We can play that. And we're just going to scroll through. Obviously, we're going to work our way out at the back of the draw pile first, and then work our way to the front. 5 of hearts we'll bring down. And we'll just see what goes through. So, we'd like to be able to play this 10 of diamonds and then the 9 of spades, I think. So we're going to play this ace right here. And we're going to have to move some cards up. Maybe we can get a different way. This 3 of clubs we're going to put right here. We're going to move the 4 of hearts up and the 5 of hearts up. Unfortunately, we can't move the 6 of hearts up. We'd like to be able to do that. But that's not going to happen here. But we will be able to... Yeah, we will be able to do that, I think. Well, let's hold off. I'm thinking too many moves ahead here. Let's just take it one move at a time. Going through here. Okay, 2 of clubs. Now we can do 3 of clubs, and I think that's it for the clubs, right? we'd like to be able to work one of these angles. Either we have the hearts. We're trying to figure out if we can get like spades or clubs. It appears spades would be a viable option if this 3 of diamonds were not here. This 3 of diamonds is going to hold us up, so we're going to have to figure out a way to go back to where this 3 of diamonds came from and probably go all the way back. But let's exhaust our other moves first. So move the 10, and then of course we'll take the 9 here. And I think we're out of moves after that, right? Excuse me. Let's go back again. Yeah, we're out of moves here. So what we have this, it should be solvable, but what we need to do is we need to play spades and hearts probably. So this 3 of diamonds is holding this up. This 3 of diamonds has to go back to wherever it came from. And we're going to undo a bunch of times. So maybe fast forward 30 seconds or so. And we'll regroup over there. That's where the 3 of diamonds came from. That's where it's going to stay. We could move this 2 under the 3 of diamonds, though. So, all right. Let's see what we can figure out here. Ace of spades up. 2 of spades up. We don't move the 4 of diamonds down either. Surprise, surprise, right? 2 of hearts up. 3 of hearts up. And I think we can move clubs with it. Well, yeah, we'll hold off. We can move probably clubs. There's the 2 of clubs there. So, okay. Ace of clubs. 2 of clubs here. 3 of clubs. Now we can move the 4 of hearts up. And I think we wanted to go spades. We wanted to go spades, right? So the 3 of spades right there. We can play it under this 5 of spades because we're not playing the spades. We're playing the... Or we are playing the spades. We can play it under the clubs. We're not going to play the clubs. So 3 of spades up here. Hopefully what I'm saying is making some sense. I'm trying to uncover... What we're trying to do is uncover these columns here. And we're going to get to that in just a minute here once we get this 5 of hearts up. So let's go through again and let's see, 7 of clubs. We need to move. I'm trying to get, I'll explain what I'm thinking here. I'm trying to get this 5 of hearts up here. So in order to do that, the 7 of clubs is in front. We need to move 1 card in front of the 5. And that 1 card is going to be this 10 of diamonds right here. So that's the 1 card we move. We come through again. There's the 5. So the 5 is up. Okay? Now for the magic. We're going to work the magic and we're going to finish this game off. 4 of spades is going to go up. 5 of spades is going to go up. 6 of hearts up to the foundation pile. Oh, there's the queen. We can play that too. That opens up this column. Now we can play clubs. We can play 4 clubs up. Well, yeah, technically we can't. We got these diamonds holding us up. But this 3 of diamonds was holding us up earlier. We can still go further. We can get the 7 of hearts up. There's a way. And the reason there's a way is because there's a 7 of diamonds right here. We need to move some cards around. We're going to need to move the 5 of diamonds under the 6 of clubs. And then we can move the 6 of spades up, and then we'll move the 7. We'll move all the stuff back. So 5 of diamonds here. 6 of spades here. 6 of, you can notice there's 2 red 7s. We're going to move the 6 of clubs over. So 6 of clubs over. 7 of hearts up. There it is, the 2 of diamonds. That was huge. We got that uncovered. We've got all the cards in the columns uncovered. So we're going to start moving up what we can. And there. So 5 of clubs, 6 of clubs, 7 of clubs. Now we can move this card. We can pretty much bring all these cards down. And that's pretty cool. We've solved it there. That's a tough spot at the end. But hopefully I was able to show you a few tricks to getting out of those type of situations. Because those those can cost you a lot of games if you get stuck there and you can't figure it out. And of course, that is going to wrap this up. I am signing out. I would like to thank you for watching, wish you good luck, and remind you that if you need any more tips, you can always check out the Solitaire Complete Tip Guide. I've got a lot of videos out there, but this is the most complete of all of them. And as always, thank you for watching, and good luck.